I love science and was just determined to do science. For undergraduate, I got into Carnegie Institute of Technology, which is now Carnegie Mellon University, and I did an undergraduate degree in physics. In 1971, I moved to Duke as assistant professor in the Department of Anatomy. This was a big transition for somebody who was in physics to move into an anatomy program. And I remember J. David Robertson, the chair, he said, well, you're going to have to teach one of our anatomy courses, microanatomy or histology. And I said, well, what's that? And he said, well, it's basically cell biology. And I was going to ask, what's that? But I thought, no, let's not push that. Let's see if we can learn it. Though it took me, again, another 4 to 6 years to polish those lectures into something pretty good. And after another 10 years, those lectures were really great. I work on FTSE, which makes cells divide. The interest for me is how the protein molecules engineer the division. Toward the end, I gave a course that developed over a period of like 30 years where I would cover the principles of protein-protein association. Eventually, I put together these notes and got a book that was published about 2 or 3 years ago. I came from a family of 14 children. I have a daughter and 2 grandchildren. So one of the things I've liked about Durham is you're so accessible to the outdoors. Within 10 or 15 minutes, I could hop in the car, drive away from the lab, and be fishing on the Eno River. 51 years at Duke is more than most professors, and I've been so happy with the time here, the great colleagues that I've had, and my own opportunity to contribute to the whole effort.